I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Jody with me and I'm going to show you her cute cut. She's a sweetheart. She's been a friend for a long time. She moved away. How long does it take you to get here?
An hour and a half.
An hour and a half. So she drives back for her haircut.
Only.
Yeah, only an hour and a half. No, she's a sweetheart. So it's fun to see her. I get to see her once a month. She comes once a month. So now Jody has quite a bit of hair. It's fine textured. And she does have body in it. You can see there's a little bit of curl here. This is a good haircut if you have a little bit of some calyx going on back here, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay, so we're just gonna cut into the bottom of this. You can see I'm just kind of point cutting into that. And then just kind of clean this up right here a little bit. Okay, and then up here, I'm gonna take about 1/4 of an inch, you can see. And it's fun. We just like to have her hair short. I say we, like it's my hair. So Jody likes it short and easy. She likes it tight back here on her neck. So I'm just point cutting down to the bottom here. And then of course I just come off from this guide point in the front here. And then if you do have a calic back here, you can see she has a swirl. You don't want to go like extremely short on that area, just because it can be hard to manage if it's too short. But yet if it's too long, it's annoying too. So just kind of try to find that in between with the calyx, and I'll show you when I style it how nice it goes. You can just kind of pull out on it where the calic is, and it goes really good with this style. And you'll notice when I dry her color, we do it like once every 3 or 4 times, her color. So there's only going to be a little bit of the color left on this haircut. But it's just really fun because the color that we do, it really highlights it at first, and then once it starts growing out, it's just kind of fun. It goes with the cut and it shows off the texture in the cut. So it's kind of fun. So if you like to get your hair colored but not all the time, this is a good cut and color for the growing out process.
She almost gets a few different hairstyles as her hair grows out.
Yeah,
right,
exactly.
As
the color grows out, yep. Because the color, it just kind of shows off the haircut in different ways. Oh, that would be my phone. Sorry about that. Somebody calling. Just kind of cut into this. Just make it different lengths. Just so it can be a little piecey through there. Okay, and then this side, same thing. And here in a minute, you're going to probably hear another little alarm go off. I have a perm processing in the background, a guy perm. And so I'm sure we'll hear it in just a minute. So again, I'm just point cutting. And when I point cut, I always like to set my shears on my ring finger as I go down. You guys are so awesome to support me. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you're not on my email list, I would love to have you on the email list. You can jump on that down below. There's a link there. Be awesome. Okay, now the side. Okay, and then of course the side, again, just come in and kind of chunk this out just a little bit. Make different lengths in there. Okay, and then the top, just point cut this way, straight across. Okay, now I'm going to come to this side. So by the ear, I'm just going to hold this straight out and point cut into that also. And then I like to come around her head this way to meet up here to the top. So again, I can hold this out, point cut into that. Okay, then I just hold this above her ear. Just come in this way. Okay, in the front, just take little pieces out. Okay, sweet. Are you doing good, Jody? Mm-hmm. Okay. Awesome, awesome. Okay, now same thing on this side. Take the bulk out here. And you can see it connects up here to the top. Can you see that and that? You just take that little corner off. Okay, sweet. And then again on this side, hold this hair out. Not too much on that side. Okay, and then same thing here. Open and shut your shears softly. And then the bang area, you like to just come in through here. Take little sections, little, I don't know, wouldn't call them sections, I guess. I'd just call them little chunks out so it's different lengths. And now for Jody, I like to use the chunky texturizing shear. That gives her more movement and texture up through here. Come up through the top here. PC is good for this haircut, so. Okay, sweet. Now we will style, and then you'll see your cute haircut. So we are going to style. I'm going to put some root lifter in here to give it some volume through the root area. And then use one squirt of mousse. Okay, now we're going to dry. The back will just dry down. If you guys have those cowlicks I was talking about in the back, you just want to grab at those, kind of pull out, worst thing you could do if you have a cowlick back here is to dry it like this, because that is going to just push that forward and it's going to be hard to deal with. So if you can, you know, hold it down like this, dry it down, just hold it out with your fingers. Instead of coming in from the back. That's funny. She's like, I've been doing it all wrong. Well, it always looks cute when I see you, so that's all good. That's so cute. Then, of course, just back and forth with your fingers. Okay, so I just turned this on. It's gonna beep at us when it's warm. Okay, there we go. So now I just come in here and I just pull straight up. Just to straighten it out. And if you don't like the straight look, you'd rather more of the curled, that's great also. Jody used to wear her hair more curled and now she wears it more straight. So, you know, you might want to change it up. Right, Miss Jody?
Yeah. And with the trend.
There you go. Okay, and then back here by these cowlicks, that's what's nice to see it just kind of goes out. You can just grab at it. Straight out. Okay. Now just a couple drops of the oil. And then, of course, the clay to piece it out. This is my best friend. It's funny how something can just make, you know, whether a product or a color, whatever it is, can make a haircut. You can see that her ends just have the blonde. And usually she has blonde up throughout all of it, but now it's just on the ends. So, like I said, it's kind of fun. We just watch it. Oh, there's the perm. We'll stop that and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I'm just gonna back comb this. Love it, just stick it up all over. And then you can just spray. Then you can just put it into place. So I'm gonna turn her to the mirror just so I can see it. That is so crazy that it's just the tips with your color now. So cute. Okay, and then of course I like to just kind of grab at it, spray it a little. See, you can just grab where those cowlicks are and pull out. All right, Miss Jody, you are set. Okay. Just gonna turn her around. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. You have an awesome day. Thank you, Jody.
Thank you.
You betcha.
Bye.
See you later.